Hello everyone, good morning. It is the start of another vlog. I am still home in quarantine, just like all of you, and I wanted to start this vlog because I'm making coffee right now, and I got something from Trader Joe's yesterday, which I showed in my what I eat in a day video that I wanted to try on camera. So it's their collagen, it's like collagen peptides. We're gonna try it. I had some lemon water with apple cider vinegar this morning, and I'm ready for coffee. The serving size is 2 scoops, but I'm just gonna use 1 because that's what I would use collagen peptides anyway. 2 scoops has 45 calories, 11 grams of protein, and 12 grams of collagen. I'm gonna look up what the difference between collagen hydrolysate and collagen peptides would be. It looks the same, doesn't smell. I just put it in my coffee and it already like dissolved. So I'm gonna pour in a little oat milk and then mix it up. You guys know the drill at this point. Oh gosh, attack with coffee. Cheers. It might be very hot. I definitely taste it, but not like too much. It tastes like collagen peptides. I'm glad I found a cheaper Trader Joe's alternative, am I right? We're trying the vegan cream cheese.
Oh, I've already taken some.
Oh wait, does it taste like the Violife one, the other one that we tried?
I think so. I can't remember because I haven't had it for so long, but I think the one that we've had before, the Go Veggie, is a little thicker, it seems like.
Okay.
Not much.
It does look a little thinner. Yeah, this is the one from Trader Joe's I got yesterday. Oh, I think it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
It tastes less like coconut than the other one, I think.
That's true, it does, yeah. You're right.
I think it tastes more like real cream cheese, maybe? I do like the coconut one, though.
This is great.
Good job, Trader Joe's.
So, yeah.
I also tried the collagen that I bought this morning, and it tastes just like the collagen peptides. It's really good. Love Trader Joe's.
Yay.
Anyway, I'm editing now. Yeehaw. Okay, it's a while later. I finished my video, so it's uploading now. I just had to make a thumbnail. It was raining earlier, which was kind of nice. It just feels refreshing. The sun's kind of coming out, so I might go for a walk. It's 4 o'clock, snack time for me. So let's venture into the kitchen and see what we find. I'm kind of feeling some grapes though. I watched some YouTube videos. I honestly haven't really been watching that many YouTube videos. I don't know why, but I'm in the mood. Let's do it. For some reason, I love when people show their subscription boxes just to see who like other people are subscribed to and watch. This is my most recent subscription box, but I'm gonna watch Monica's story time because she tweeted about it and I was curious. So let's watch. Suspense movie snack.
Sum it all up, this is the story of this like 50-year-old man. He's like around 50 or something, 40 or 50-year-old man who asked me to go to a business meeting and then later said like he was really interested in me, really attracted to me, and said he like manifested me, all this weird shit. We're gonna call him Doug, it's not his real name.
It is a while later, it's just about dinner time. I'm gonna make a little salad for dinner, and I've had this in my head thinking about what I'm gonna put in it. I'm really excited to try the balsamic and fig dressing I got from Trader Joe's. Be more like a bowl situation because I want to put rice in it. I'm gonna do half of this bag. Mushrooms cooking, grilled chicken, and we have a little leftover buffalo cauliflower and sweet potato that I'm gonna throw on my salad too. These bowls are kind of small. Maybe I just have too much food. Adding some chickpeas for our crunch. I don't know how this is all going to stay in this bowl, but we're going to do our best. That's dinner. Yum. Watching non-stop. It's stressing me out. But I'm going to do abs as part of my evening routine. Watching movies and doing abs. Oh my god, one of the windows fell out of the plane.
We know that there's large amounts of methane stored in the permafrost in the Arctic, and we're worried that as that permafrost starts to actually unfreeze, the methane trapped underneath will start to bubble up.
Methane. Brunch time. Yum. Avocado toast with egg and some mushroom spinach. The only thing I vlogged today is my food, but I've made cauliflower gnocchi with spinach. Oh, I was gonna do tomatoes too, I forgot. Mushrooms and a little Italian sausage.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do.
The next day.
So it has been kind of sporadic with my vlogging the last few days. I started a vlog and then the next day I literally just filmed like a couple of my meals without talking. It's a couple days later and I'm picking it back up because I'm taking on a new project. I am going to knit. I actually used to be really into knitting when I was a kid. I was in a play when I was in the 4th grade. Or 3rd grade maybe. I had one scene, I had like a monologue on stage. I was one of 2 kids in the play. And so I spent a lot of my time backstage. Why do I feel like I've told this story before? I might have said this recently. I don't even know. All the days are blurring together, as you know. There was like this little old lady that was in the play knitting all the time backstage. She's like, hey, do you want me to teach you how to knit? Or maybe I asked her. I don't remember the exact conversation. She taught me how to knit when we were backstage in this play together. And I got really into it. And so I got a bunch of yarn and I like started making scarves all the time, and I made like fuzzy pink ones. One day I put my knitting needles down and didn't pick them back up again. You know, a couple of my friends started like old ladies knitting club where they literally like will FaceTime and update each other on their knitting projects, and they inspired me to get back into it. So here I have some bamboo knitting needles, and I got this mega bulky yarn, which I think might run out very quickly because it's so bulky. That means there's less of it. 64 yards. So I might have to get another one. This is all I have, but I figured I'd vlog the process of me trying to start and knitting a scarf. I think I'll probably just do, but I like the bulky like scarf look. I'm gonna try and cast on. I've never even cast it on, even when I was in the height of my knitting phase. I always had my old lady friend do it for me. I'm just gonna look it up online and hope for the best. I kind of remember, but it's been a long time. Found the end of the yarn, that's step 1. I am getting on FaceTime in 10 minutes, so I actually don't have much time to do it. Okay, Sheep and Stitch is the YouTube channel I've selected. FabFitFun ad, of course.
Begin your cast on and we'll go through it step by step. Alright,
please do.
Materials. So I'm using Lion Brand's Hometown in the color 40. This is a bulky weight acrylic yarn.
Oh, that's bulky too. This is like super bulky though.
I'm also using 10mm bamboo needles.
Oh, I think that's what I have.
Or wooden needles because both.
No, these are 6.5mm.
Drag that grips the yarn and makes it less slippery to work with. Okay, now let's get on to casting on. Alright, you know you want to knit a scarf that's like 5 inches wide, then you'll just multiply that by 3. Okay, so that would be, and that's where I'm going to start my cast on. So like, let's say that's like here, okay? Just for the sake of making
this
things
seems
easier.
decent.
Once I figure out, I'm going to make a loop with my yarn, just like this. Alright, so how did I do that? I just took, like, held
Come on,
on,
people.
like, brought my hands together.
This really is for
Okay,
beginners.
and I'm going to take my strand of yarn here and bring it behind the loop, okay? So that it kind of divides my loop in half. Pick out that strand of yarn from my loop and pull it out, and there you go. Now I've got a slip knot. Pretty cool, right? So let's do that again. Grab these 2 strands of yarn and just pull them so that the slip knot tightens around my needle. It's nice and snug. Oh yeah. This little strand of yarn gets shorter and shorter. It's just a little reminder of why you need to measure out your yarn before you start.
I'm already
casting on.
failing.
Hey, thanks for watching. This video is
It's been a bit. I just FaceTimed my friends for like an hour, so now I'm gonna finish out this cast on, eat some grapes, and watch some videos. Okay, it's much later now. I actually ended up editing my whole Get Ready With Me that I filmed this morning, so that's uploading. That's good. And I started my knitting. We got a few rows done. I think it looks pretty good so far. It's not super wide, but that's okay. That'll make for more to go around. It's now like 7:30 and I'm gonna make some dinner. Pretty hungry. And I think I'm gonna do like a salad that I would normally get at Dig In. So some roasted sweet potatoes, some avocado, some chicken. It's gonna be good. So let go. It's been a very chill Saturday, but then again, every day is. She's sizzling.
first.
It's Sunday now. It is a very chill Sunday. The Hunger Games is on. There's a marathon on ABC Family, so I'm watching it. Good times. Reminds me of the good old days when we went to midnight premieres for this kind of stuff. My friends and I literally snuck in a loaf of bread from the grocery store to the midnight premiere in honor of Peter Millar. 2012 was a good time. And I'm working on my knitting. It's actually come pretty far for just one day, like within 24 hours. I'm pretty proud of it. I don't know how long this is gonna last. I might have to order a new one. It's also kind of stiff for a scarf, but we're just gonna roll with it. It's more for my entertainment now than actual functionality. I think I'm gonna make some avocado toast soon. I honestly don't feel like doing anything today, and so I probably won't. I just want to lay on the couch and knit and watch the Hunger Games. And some days in quarantine, you know, that's what you need.
I'll tell you what.
This is so iconic.
Everyone's gonna help me out.
Dun dun dun. Because she's here with me.
Because she came here with me.
Another day, another toast. It is now Monday, the next day. I actually just edited this whole vlog to this point. There are legitimately only wow, I look rough also. There were legitimately 3 things in this vlog. 1, cooking and eating. 2, watching movies. I literally showed like 5 different movies. 3, knitting. Half of this vlog was me knitting. I was gonna come on here and be like, okay, it's Monday, like I'm back to being productive. Let me justify all this like laziness that you saw in this vlog with all my productivity, and I'm actually doing this, this, and this. But then I stopped and I was like, who cares? Like, I don't need to justify anything. Legitimately, yesterday was the laziest Sunday I think I've had in my life. I watched the entire Hunger Games marathon and I knitted my entire yarn into this. Like, this was my day yesterday. I'm out of yarn now. I've got this little strip left. Everyone is handling it different and dealing differently, and that's okay. It's afternoon now, so I had some coffee, but I just got really distracted with editing that I realized now that I'm hungry. So I think I'm probably gonna go eat the same freaking thing that I've shown every time, avocado toast with very slight variations. I do want to do a workout at some point. I've been liking to do my Whitney Simmons Alive at home workouts on the upper deck here. So I have done a couple of those. I haven't filmed them though. I guess I've just really only felt like picking up the camera when I was eating and knitting. I'll film a little bit of that for you guys today, and I don't even know what else I want to include in this vlog. Honestly, I should just title this vlog Another Day, Another Toast. But it's just kind of like how I've been passing the time and a few lazy days in my life, and that's cool. I have gotten some questions like, how do you stay motivated and productive during this time? And honestly, don't put the pressure on yourself to do that. Like, it is totally okay if you're not completely changing your life and being so productive and getting twice as much work done as you normally did. It is kind of emotionally exhausting. Even though we're just sitting at home, like, there's so much going on and it's so unprecedented that it's okay however you deal with it, and you don't need to put pressure on yourself to always be productive. That's kind of what I wanted to say in this clip. I'm gonna go eat something. I'm probably not gonna film it because you've seen enough avocado toast. This is my Sunday. It was just this. Highly recommend knitting as a quarantine activity if you've never tried it, if you just haven't picked it up in a while like me. You're making something, but also it's just a mindless, nice activity. It's very relaxing, and it's a distraction from technology in your phone. Like, I feel like I have been spending so much time on my phone, you know, since quarantine started, that's kind of what I subconsciously wanted to do this last week, was step away from that, try not to have my nose in social media constantly, and just find other ways to spend my time. So that's why I've been really liking, like, putting more time into trying new recipes, baking with my mom. Watching movies doesn't necessarily seem like a good way to like use your brain energy or anything, but just take my mind out of social media, what everyone else is doing, and just, you know, throw myself into a fictional story, watch a movie, which I never do in my normal life. And one reason you might feel that way, feel like, why am I not productive? I need to be doing more, is because you might be comparing yourself on social media. So if you do feel that pressure, like, step back and ask yourself where it's coming from. Is it because I'm seeing all these people posting like working from home things on social media and it's making me feel inadequate? Is it that? Do I need to kind of step away from that and do something else? Looking back, I think that's more just me figuring out how to spend my time outside of my phone and relax and taking pressure off myself. Okay, I just posted this on my Instagram story, but I just thought it was so funny. My dad has been going through like pictures of our stuff and things that he found in our house in Cannon Beach, and he's asking me for like dates of things, and so I look at old pictures and stuff, and he's like, when did you get these business cards? And he shows me the picture of my first business card. Thought business cards were so cool, and I was 8 years old, and I was like, Dad, all I want is business cards, like please order some for me. And this is all it said: Christina Vetter, spy. Follow me on Instagram at Kristee Vetter. I feel like I say this in every vlog, but in case you're not, that's all it is, my first and last name, and I post those things on my story first. Okay, it was not in the weather forecast. It honestly looks fine this way, but it is raining right now. My hair's all wet. It's not like pouring, it just sprinkled. I think it's done as soon as I pull up my camera to vlog it. But I came to do a little half jog, half walk on the water. Like I said last time, did I film that? I don't know, I put it on my Instagram story, but these trails are one way now. So it's kind of nice because then I don't cross paths with people. There's not that many people out today. I guess because it's not as nice out. But on the other side, you can see people are like way up on that cliff. Getting a little cardio in. And then I was going to work out on the deck, but if it's rainy, I don't want it to be like slippery. So we'll see. Another thing I said on Instagram, but don't think I mentioned in the vlog, is this is my dad's idea to make the dumbbells heavier, because the heaviest ones we have are 5 pounds, to strap the ankle weights to them. So now we've got, I think the ankle weights are 5 pounds each. So now this is 15 with both of them strapped.
Wishing everything would just come to a stop. Trying to fill the holes in our souls, trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top, wishing everything would just come to a stop.
Okay, just finished my Whitney workout on the deck, and it was so nice. Got a nice sweat in, got my move ring closed, which feels good. Doesn't happen every day. I figured I'd just wrap up this vlog here. I'm just gonna jump in the shower and have dinner. Thanks for watching. Love you guys so much. Sorry this one was kind of all over the place. Click that subscribe button if you're not already, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.